Okay, so I've been talking about affiliate marketing, how you can earn huge commission from affiliate marketing. But first of all, I want to talk about how you can get started. Number one, so if you are watching this video for the first time, here this is Cash Flow channel where I teach people how to make money, different side hustles that you can engage in, and how to be financially free. So first of all, the first thing that you need to do is we don't want to talk about how to start an affiliate marketing. So you may be learning something, you're trying to build a skill either in writing, either in design, or you are in school and you want to have a side hustle that you can be using to complement your school, your program, your master degree, anything that you are doing, or you want to be financially free, you want to be making money, you want to have multiple streams of income. So that is why I'm creating this channel, and I want you to support me by click the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, like my video. If you have any comment, put it there so that whenever I create a new video, you can be notified. So first thing that you need to do as affiliate market is that you need to have an audience. You need to start something, anything that you are good at. Start creating content about it. And there are a lot of social media that you can use now. The Facebook is there, the Instagram is there. You can create a YouTube channel as well and start creating content, create posts about what you do, what you know. So you can have an area of specialization or something that you are interested in. So whatever that you know how to do very well, that is your topic. It can be, but there are three profitable niches that you can choose from: either health, wealth, or relationship. Those are the three major topics. So from those topics, you can also choose a subtopics. So like on health now, you can choose a topic for pregnant women. If you have a specialized knowledge on that, you can choose topic for people that wanted to lose weight. You can choose topic for people who are interested in skincare. You can choose topic for people who are interested in diets, uh, supplement, fitness, a lot of things. So you need to think about it and see what you can do, how you can choose your own topic that you like. Just make sure that it's something that you are interested in, something that you can keep talking about, so without being tired. So and that is how to choose your topic. So you can choose topic uh, on wealth, like wealth creation, money making, different side hustle, uh small scale businesses, uh different type of businesses that you can do. So that is it, like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, forex trading, writing, freelancing. So you can choose any topic on that. And on relationship, like dating, uh, meeting new people, marriage and relationship, anything. So you can choose topics from that. And the three things that you need to do again after choosing your niche is your topic, something that you are very good at, something that you can keep talking about for the next 5, 10 years. You are not going to be tired. That's how to choose your topic. So the next thing I'm going to do, you need to join affiliate program. So and today I'll be talking about high paying affiliate programs that you can join that will pay you a lot of money. So and this is how it works. If you join this affiliate program now, they're going to be giving a referral link. So once they give you the referral link, what you need to do is to keep educating people on your private topic. Keep teaching people, educating them, providing valuable content, valuable posts. So enlightening people, educating people, teaching people on what you know. So and after the teaching, after the content creation, after creating value, you begin to build audience. So by building audience, the next thing you do is that at the end of your video, or you can recommend products. So at the end of, after you have given people value, you now recommend another valuable product or service which people can use. For instance, now if you are into forex trading and you are teaching people about different kind of technical analysis, you are giving them the strategies, you are teaching them, you are coaching them, you are helping them. So you can, anybody that want to trade forex, we need to have a broker, or they will also need the service of a prop firm. So you can partner with those companies, get your affiliate link, and recommend their service. So once your people, the people, your community that you are building, once they click on those affiliate link, so whatever, the company will give you some certain percentage, and that will be an income for you. And from there, you can keep building, keep scaling up. So the next thing you need to do after joining the affiliate program is you need to drive traffic. And how do you drive traffic? Is by creating valuable contents and need to be consistent with it. So from there, once you are creating content, you begin to get more people, you begin to build community. From there, you can even build a Telegram channel. You put it, you put your Telegram link in your social media post. People join from there. You'll be advising people. You'll be providing educational content for people. Once people like what you are doing, whatever product you recommend, they will be glad. They will be happy to buy from your link. And from there, it will help you to make a lot of money. So from there, and today now, once you have done all those things I mentioned, so how do you now join high-paying affiliate program? So, and that's the question I asked ChatGPT. You can see what ChatGPT told me here now. Yes, it's streamlined high impact rundown of some of the highest paying affiliate programs available in Twitter, because I don't want you to be promoting affiliate company that will pay you $5, $2, $0.2. So that one will be a big waste of time. Look at this one now. One of these, okay, only whether you are a blogger, SaaS creator, or educator, these options offer serious earning potential. Just imagine now you are into digital marketing.